Hey guys, I am Farhat and today we are going to add some text fonts to Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. As you can see, I already have one video with me and let's just go and add a title to this video. Something like this. Okay. Let's change the color of the text. Okay. So Adobe Premiere Pro already have its default fonts. But in case if you don't like any of them, you can just Google some free fonts. As you can see, you can have lot of fonts over here. You can just download any font from here. Let me just download this another typewriter font. Let's extract it. You just have to double click on TTF file and click on install. Let's see if we have this font with us or not. Another, I don't think so we have it. So what we have to do is just save your project for now and close the application. Let's open the application again. Open your project. Let's find out whether we have our fonts available with us or not. Oh yeah, here we go. This looks pretty good. So similar way, you can add multiple fonts of your choice and just create something good out of it. That's it guys. I hope you liked the video.